Okay, this is first thing in the morning on the way to work. Look at the snow drifts I gotta walk over. Look at the cars. On the foot. See the snow goes up foot. 2 feet deep. It took 3 hours to get to work. This street hasn't been plowed yet. Sometimes the rip goes out. It's got shovelwood. See how deep it is here again. Wow, it's going to take forever to get anywhere. Even though you're not supposed to take photos in the train, I don't care. Look, there's the snow. It came through the grates up on the sidewalk. And now inside the nasty platform and the nasty subway is snow. And yours truly is now on a stinking subway in New York. The one thing I hate more than anything on the planet. Another reason why I really hate winter. I can't ride my motorcycle to work. So I believe there is such a thing as hell, and I'm standing in it right now. The New York subway system. Absolute hell. Stinks down here. You wait forever. It's freezing, and I'm going to be late for work. I hate the winter. Still getting to work at Park Avenue now. Look at these snow. Normally 20 minutes by bike, it's taking me over an hour and a half. And I'm late for work, so we'll see what happens when I get there. Probably get a pay deduct. Up here on the Upper East Side, they have some of the streets plowed. So I should say the sidewalks have been cleared. But the rich can do that. Look at the awning. Look at the snow on the awning. A delivery guy. These guys never give up. Got one car going. Just don't have to climb. Looks like a stuck bus. Two more stuck buses up there at the corner. One block away from getting to work. Okay, going home from work. A lot of the sidewalks have been cleared. The streets, as you can see, are still a mess. Now I'm heading toward the godforsaken subway. Hopefully I'll be able to get the vehicle on the road tomorrow so I don't have to take the subway. And look at the intersections. Total chaos. There you can see how deep it is.
Okay. Do your thing, okay? Fix the car. Deal with that.
Sorry.
Well, it sounds like kids are having fun in it. That's the way you should all be. Laugh off everything. Park Avenue? Let's see if the batteries will hold out until they get to the subway. I doubt it. And yes, I still have my helmet on. It's good for two things. It keeps my head perfectly warm, no wind, and in case I fall, I don't break my head. Oh, somebody's stuck in the snow. What does he expect, that little car? Oh, I see. That's one of those new efficiency gas model cars. You have to push it. These guys for real? Four-wheel drive trucks are getting stuck. Well, it sounds like kids are having fun in it. That's the way you should all be. Laugh off everything. Park Avenue? Let's see if the batteries will hold out until they get to the subway. I doubt it. And yes, I still have my helmet on. It's good for two things. It keeps my head perfectly warm, no wind, and in case I fall, I don't break my head. Oh, somebody's stuck in the snow. What does he expect, that little car? Oh, I see. That's one of those new efficiency gas model cars. You have to push it. These guys for real? Four-wheel drive trucks are getting stuck. Approaching the freaking entrance to Hades. Near the intersection where A6 is all blocked up. And here it is. Satan's Hollow. I'll report back later. Okay, just got out of one hellhole back into another. Just got above the out of the subway, back into the neighborhood, into these mounds of snow. Near a fire hydrant. Okay, heading down the promenade. Well, I don't know, the wind is howling. Can't walk. Well, at least it's really hard to walk. Whereas the sidewalks have all been cleared off a little bit. Promenade's filled, desolate. Shivering out there. Do it. Here's me walking down the promenade, still on the way home from work. I think it's time to close up the camera. Did I say I hate the winter? Finally approaching home. Let's get off the promenade. If you're wondering why I'm breathing so hard, I can breathe through my nose because in the cold it runs like a little kid. I can breathe through my mouth. It's very annoying. Let's see what the car looks like. See from here. There's no snow on it. I guess the wind has kept it off. Got lucky. This intersection's extremely windy. That's exactly what happened. Because you could see all the other cars right here. They're all buried in. And the wind comes off the entrance to the promenade from right here. It's all the way down the block. Very powerful. Fire hydrant. Right up to the head. I know, it's so fun. Once in a while I get lucky. Maybe you can see some of the wind in this corner. Scooter made it out okay. Florida, up there like that. Believe me, nobody dug this out. It's just the way it's been sitting, and the wind has kept it clean of all snow. And you can see on the back there's some snow where the car blocked the wind and it managed to accumulate.